It's unfortunate situation that happens in Supreme Court today. As you can see, all justice chambers are consumed by fire. The fire services are helpless. Our Supreme Court staffs are helpless. The people concerned, authority concerned, they are helpless. Halogen and policemen, they are helpless. The sister agencies are helpless. We have consumed a lot of smoke. We use fire extinguishers. Nothing has been done. Our management staff don't do anything in the court. They are a bunch of thieves. Our management staff are a bunch of thieves. Apart from stealing money, they don't know anything. Ordinary one fire service is not functional. One fire service is not functional. I want all the necessary, the police, SS, the necessary service provider, they should come and get this information from me. Nothing is working in Supreme Court. Nothing whatsoever. Nothing is working. As you can see, people are helpless. They are just watching. I'm asking for any pressman to come closer so that I can address them to make this in public to the world. Our management staff are a bunch of thieves. Bunch of thieves. They are full bunch of thieves. Supreme Court staff don't have Starbucks. We don't have fire service. We don't have anything that you know that has to do with the safety of staff. We don't have it in the court, apart from stealing money. You can see, people are helpless right now. The fire is still catching. It's extending to other chambers. You can witness what is happening right now. It came to a point that nobody is working. Nobody is working any longer. We use NJC fire service. We use FCT fire service. NJC fire service, FCT fire service is what we use to our rescue. If not because of the NJC fire service, FCT fire service, even staff will have been consumed by now. That is what is happening. As you can see, you can now see an immediate assessment from other stakeholders. People are analyzing. As you can see, it's not functional. We used to tap our water from here, but because of the insincerity of our management staff, they don't do anything apart from stealing money. Apart from stealing money, if I should have been the CGN from Chief Registrar, then what? I will put them on suspension today. All of them will go on suspension, sir. You can see the fire service is trying to access water. They are trying to access water, but it's not working. It's not working. It's not working. Nothing is working, sir. Nothing is working, sir. Nothing is working. People are helpless. People are just helpless. Nothing is working. Supreme Court management need to be punished for that. It started from one chamber. We tried to see how we can break that chamber. We tried all our efforts. We could not break that chamber. From Justice Saudawa, an eyewitness to this thing. We tried to break that chamber. We could not make it. So we have to invite FCT fire service, NJC fire service to come to our rescue when good numbers of chambers have been consumed by fire.